Welcome in another video. Today we are going to discuss the rules of carboxylic acid nomenclature in the IPAC naming system. Here are the rules. You have first to determine the name of the parent alkene by counting the number of carbon atoms in the structure. Then the letter E of the alkene is replaced with oic acid suffix. So let's apply in these examples. So how many carbon atoms do you have here? You have two carbon atoms. So you have to start from the left or the right? No, you have to start from the right because this is actually the functional group, right? So you have to start from the right, one and two. So what do you think the name of this compound is? So this should be called eth because you have two carbon atoms, eth and then ane, and then you have to add the suffix oic. So this is called ethanoic and acid, ethanoic acid. Another common name for this compound is acidic acid, but this is common name actually. How about this one? How many carbon atoms in this compound? Only one carbon atom. So we have meth and then ane and then oic, methanoic. Easy peasy, right? And there's also a common name for this compound, which is formic acid. Okay. Then the third compound here, we can start from the right, because the functional group is located on the right. So we have to name it from the right. One, two, three, and four. Four carbon atoms, right? So this is butanoic acid. Um, how about this one? Would you start from the left or the right? You start always from the right. One, two, three, four, five, and six. So, what do you think the name of this compound is? This is hex, and then ane, hexanoic, hexanoic acid. How about this compound? This compound has a double bond, right? So you have to either start from the double bond or the carbon nearest to the double bond, like from the left, or you can start simply from the right, which has higher priority here. Always, the carboxylic acid group has higher priority than a double or triple bond. So you have to start from the right. One, two, three, and four. So you have biot, then not ane. This is an ene, alkene, right? Biot two, biot how two. The position of the double bond is two. Biot two in one oic acid because the carboxylic acid group is located simply on carbon number one, right? How about this one? Would you start from the left, nearest to the chlorine, or would you start from the right, nearest to the carboxylic acid group? Always start to near the carbon, which has the or which bears the carboxylic acid group because it has higher priority. So one, then two, three, four. This is two chloro, one, two, three, four, butanoic, butanoic acid, butanoic acid. How about this one? Again, you would start from here. One, two, three, four, five. Okay. Here you have on carbon number three and carbon number five, you have two chlorine atoms, right? So this should be called, you have to write always the substituents first. So you have two chlorine atoms. So three, four, dichloro, and let me write it here, sorry. So this is five. So this is pentanoic acid. Okay, what about this one? Would you start from here or would you start from there? What do you think? Neither from here nor from there. You have to start from here, from the carboxylic acid group, right? One, two, three, four, and five, right? And this is actually a substituent. This is actually an ethyl group, right? So you have two ethyl, one pentanoic acid, two ethyl pentanoic acid. As long as the carboxylic acid group takes number one, you don't have to write the position of the oic group, right? How about this one? Would you start from here, or would you start nearest to, let's say, the hydroxyl group or even the methyl group? Um, no, you have to always start from the carboxylic acid group, since actually the carboxylic acid group takes the highest priority than the methyl group and hydroxyl group. So you have to start from the carboxylic acid group. Here's one, two, three, four, and five. Here you have two methyl groups, and you have your hydroxy group. So you have to uh, to 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 write your hydroxy group first, three, because it comes alphabetically. Three hydroxy, three hydroxy, two, two and four dimethyl, dimethyl, dimethyl. What is it? This is actually pentanoic acid. So let me write it above. Sorry for that because there is no space. Pentanoic acid. I hope you get it, and see you in the next video.